Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Khairunisa Zulhakim from Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka University. And so today in this video, I will tell you and show how to apply SQ3R, a reading method. And before we start, I want to tell you what is SQ3R method. And here I make a PowerPoint. SQ3R method. SQ3R is a comprehension strategy that helps students think about the text they are reading like an effective reader, and name for SQ3R method is 5 steps. The step of SQ3R 5 steps, they are survey, question, read, recite, and review. And I look at for the journal. This is a journal of the article. And for the first, I will survey quickly to get the main idea. But here, I want to survey and skim the key message first. Because the key message survey actually make us or make me understand faster earlier about this article. And this is the key message. The basic function of a research journal is a registration, certification, dissemination, and archiving. The academic journal is still perceived as an important and robust method of police, despite innovation in communication, and etc. And this is the key message. And from key message, we'll learn the article about. And for the next step, we can survey about key heading, because from the key heading we can know about the important about these articles. And this is the key heading. First, what does a journal have to do? Secondly, what more can journal provide? What role journal for researches? The future of journals. Okay, this is the key heading. Okay, so from the survey, I know and get my reading goals. And here, I have made my reading goals in my PowerPoint. Okay, before I read the reading goals, I want to show you. This is about the journal. What are journal for? By S.P. Relation, Director of Publication, Psychological Society in UK. Reviewed by me, Muthiah Zulhakim. Journal announced, published March 2015. Volume 97, number 2, page 89 until 91. And the background, in age of the internet and social media, why are we still using from publication dating from 1665? And what exactly is it a journal in 21st century? And what role does it have to perform? And surprisingly, the academic journal has not improved since it was invented 350 years ago. And research purpose or tujuannya, there are many reasons doctors want to publish their work foremost at an early stage in their career. This may to be aligned to their curriculum vitae and advance their career, but for academics, publishing is an expectation. And this is the background. And I want to block this sentence. Okay, this is the background. And this is the research purpose. There are many doctors, blah blah. until expansion, as I read just now. And for the next, I want to show my reading goals because I have skimmed and survey about the article by steps. And this is my reading goals about this article. First, to know the function of journal research. Second, to know many articles or journals are published each year. And to able to understand the importance of journal. And after I make my reading goals about this article, of course, I already make a question. And this is my question. Number 1, what is the function of journal research? Number 2, how many articles of journal are published each year? Number 3, where can the journal access? Okay, we can find the answer from the first question. What is the function of journal research? And this is the function of the journal research. And this is there are 4 functions if it was to meet the needs of both author and reader. And I think I just block the answer because the time is not enough to write. Okay, number 1, registration of the author claim to work, certification usually be peer review, dissemination and archiving. And this is the function of journal research. Okay, I block this sentence. Okay, for the second question is how many articles or journals are published each year? Okay, I find the answer. And this is the answer. Publishing is a flourishing business. There are approximately 100 active scholarly peer review journal in mid-2012, collectively publishing about 108 until 109 million articles per year. The number of articles published each year and the number of journals have both grown steadily for more than 2 centuries, by about 3% and 305% per year, respectively. And I will block this answer. Sorry, I will complete. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, for the next question is for the last question is where can the journal exist? Okay, the journal exists in okay, we find the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Often built around access to journal and includes social network and file sharing service for scientists, a preprint server, post-publication evaluation, data sharing, text and data mining, and mobile access, and application. And this is the answer. I will block. Okay, finish for the last answer. Okay, in my calculation, this, then if we want to know about the effective reading, we can learn about SQ3R method. We can read and skim the article, survey, skim, reading until we can make a reading goals, then question, and then we get answer. Okay, I want to say sorry if there is mistake from me when I explain this method. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.